Hey YouTube, just got my new Bodas in. I'm super excited, like a kid at Christmas. I've had many other tractors and I've had LS's, I've had Mahindras, Maxes and XLs, but these are my first Kubotas. And I got the Traco, the U30, Traco U35 and BX25D. Um, yeah, super excited. I love the orange. So far in driving it around, one thing I can tell you that Kubota does a good job with comfort. One thing it is more comfortable than the other tractors. I can't tell you performance-wise yet, but as soon as I can give you a performance update, I will. But these tractors are very popular, obviously, and popular for a reason. So I decided to just bite the bullet and get one. Um, I'm mainly going to use this around my residence. I have a little extra property up in the mountains in New Hampshire. That's where the Traco's going. But looking forward to testing these out and having a lot of fun with them. So, some on there. I don't know if I'm too happy about the thumb yet. I was looking for a thumb with teeth, but that should do just fine. Nice bucket. Quick release system. Looks like an aftermarket quick release system that comes stock with this. Not sure. I guess you pull that pin out. I'll check it out. The sales rep is actually coming out to walk me through everything, all the details. So I got the angle blade. Really nice looking machine. Super excited about this. Put it back. There we go. So it's got digital screen, the radio, brand new. Love that new smell. First thing I'm gonna do is dig up a bunch of big stumps, including that sucker right there, and that sucker. Okay, I'll check in periodically and let you guys know how the testing goes. You know, I like to see reviews on these kind of things myself, so I hope I can kind of pay it forward to anybody else who's looking for reviews. Thanks, bye.